Hi, I'm Buck Maverick, and this is Rusty Biggs, and we're going to teach you how to film on a budget.
And not make it awful.
Rusty, I've been filming for years. I should know.
Never completed a film. He's literally never completed a film.
Rusty, that's just details. Details, Rusty. And guess what? Step one, every great film starts off with a concept. Behold.
Aliens in love in a laundromat.
Laundromat Aliens Love Triangle, a musical. But guess what? They're ninjas. So, we got our starring here, budget filming, we got aliens, and we're in a laundromat. It's so unfilmable, it's bold, it's fresh. We should film it.
Why not just do something simple?
Simple, we're visionaries. We gotta mix it up and we gotta do something. Alright, with every great film we have the idea, but now we need funding. Rusty, how we looking?
$0.
$0? All we need is $50.
$50?
$50. I know, guys. It's not the end of the world, Rusty.
Oh no. Oh no.
It's okay. We're gonna see him in a little bit. Stay tuned. Yo, Alfonso, where are you? See, told you wouldn't let me down.
Whoa, slow down there, Buckaroo. 500 now, 1,000 later. But I tell you what, Vato, homie Tyrone, he loco, man. Last Vato that didn't pay up, homie ate his butt, man. Raw. Yeah, raw.
You don't even have a script.
You tell me now. Oh, shit.
Deal.
Okay.
You got a deal. And that's how you get funding for your film, guys.
That's how you get your butt ate.
Let's go.
Laundromats, alien booty.
Rusty, we lost the love interest, the lead actress, and the villain. Which naturally means I must play every character.
I'll get the wigs.
Let's do this.
Let's do this.
Step 3, acting.
Oh, alien warrior, I can't love you. It's forbidden.
As a villain, you fool. Alright, ready?
Yep.
And action. You fool! Love is for the weak.
I will travel across the galaxies for our love.
And Rusty, that concludes the audition portion. Take notes, guys. This is what it takes to make a film. Action! There's aliens in here! There's aliens in here! You can't film in here! We're making a movie!
No, it was the fact that you were standing on top of the washer yelling about aliens.
Why are people always hating on visionary filmmakers?
Rusty, you can't do that to my friend. You can't do that to my friend.
You two, too. Get out!
Look, this place is actually better. I mean, look at this. You can really feel the emptiness of space.
Yeah, because we're in an empty parking lot.
And that's scene 2 on finding locations to shoot a small film on a budget.
No budget.
3, 2, action.
Rusty, we may have a problem. I may or may have not deleted all the footage.
No, you didn't.
Control Z's not working? I think I did. But I may have the blooper film, so we still have a chance for a film. Rusty! What are you doing?
What's up?
Bro. Wait. Dude. Check this out. We're going viral.
They're laughing at us.
Yeah. But they're laughing at us, and that means views. Views means success. Success means, you know what? Let's start working on the sequel. And then at stage 7, working on your next film. I'm Buck Maverick, and this is Rusty Biggs.
No more.